Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope so you all will be fine. And today's date is 25 July 2024 and the day is Thursday. Okay, today's our topic is sentences making. Okay, our first word is bus. Sentence is this is a bus. Second word fly. Birds can fly. Duck, that is a duck. Elephant, that is this is an elephant. Okay, last word is aunt, that is an aunt. Okay, next question is rearrange the sentences into correct form. This sentence is an, it, and egg. Okay, we can arrange the sentence. It is an egg. Car is a red, this is a red car. Okay, our next topic is concept of and. Activity use and to complete the sentences. Okay, this is the dog and this is a cat. We can use and to these sentences. This is a dog and this is a cat. Next is this is bee and this is ball. We can separate them with and. This is a bee and that is a ball. This is a duck and that is a rabbit. This is a fish and that is a frog. This is a crown and that is an egg. Okay, this is our lesson concept of and making sentences. Okay, thank you so much.